Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LQMT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And today, the things got very, very wobbly for the chart, so updates definitely need to be made. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of bigger attempted bounce back to the upside, 16 cents is going to be that overarching area of resistance. But really, before you even put any focus on 16 cents, the price now needs to get back above that purple line there. And that just, again, based on that, foundational rule in charting that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that holds true here. With that purple line, you would have wanted it to see act as support, but with the price breaking down below it, that also now becomes an area of resistance. So near-term wise, key level of resistance, again, that 50 period moving average, and then after that, next key overarching level up there at the 16 cent mark. As far as levels of support are concerned now moving forward, initial level to watch, and let's get that changed to green for support, and then squeeze down the charter just a little bit. So next key overarching level to keep an eye on is going to be right down here at the 12.5 cent mark. If 12.5 cents cannot quite hold, the next key level would be that former breakout point, which sits down there right around 11.5 cents. So keep your eye on those technical levels going forward. Those are going to be the main ones. As of now, though, the trend is still in the bulls' favor. I mean, let's squeeze things out. Just because it pulls back doesn't mean that everything's ruined. Now, you don't want to see the pullback get too deep. But, to call this, and to say that the chart's destroyed, that would just be inaccurate. You can't say that the chart's destroyed right now. Sure, it's been a pretty intense pullback, but that doesn't mean that the price can't recover and get back upwards because it is still within an overall uptrend. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.